Sinin. There is Sinin. Hello. Hello, lady. How are you? Happy New Year. Bikini man. Bikini man, tita. Oo, bikini man. Okay, don't worry, bikini man. Puntahan ko yan. Punta muna ako. May ikot ako sandali. Nandun na ako sa ano mo. Sinin. Marilu. Province life. Hi. BJ to tita. Yes, thank you so much sa BJ mo dyan. At nandito rin ako sa yung ano. Nandito rin ako sa yung bahay. Naka-BJ ako sa gate. Ganyan lang ang buhay. Give and take. Well, you know why I got my title like God's promise never fails? You know why I make that the title of mine? Because that was my life experience. That was my life experience. And again, if you heard, I think tonight, last night in my live streaming, is it last night or the other night, that I received a call from my cousin from Cotabato, and he told me, actually the sister-in-law who called me, she's in the hospital, and she just said to me, sister, I am right now here in the hospital and I can't see anything, but I just said, I'm sorry, let me call you back, because I know I can sense already what she wants. And I just called back this morning. I know that when she said to me, when she told me that she's in the hospital, then I have already that feeling she need help. So I pray because I know I don't have cash to give. Then ngayong umaga po, I prayed last night. I just said, Lord, I don't have money to help my cousin. What will I do? Kamsakdan Sisi, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Simply my loves. Maraming salamat. And alam niyo po, nag-pray po ako kasi I want to help, but I don't know. I want to help, but I cannot help. And I pray, God, I said, you said that your promise never fails. And these people, my relatives, although they don't know you well, they just know there's God, but actually they don't have the right relationship with you, the solid relationship with God, with you, Lord. Can you please help them and provide? And after that, I called my dad and I said, Dad, my cousin, your nephew, wife, is right now in the hospital having dialysis, and they need to buy a blood. 3 bags of blood, and 1 bag is 1,800 or 4,000. 1 bag of blood. And I told my dad, they're asking my help, but I have no money to help them. And my dad right away, he told me, well, give them 10,000. Ask your brother to give them 10,000 right now. You know, I almost can't believe, because my dad is not like, he is not like that easy. He's not like that easy to give money. But when I heard, he said, send them right now 10K. Ask your brother to send right now 10K for them. And once again, I see how the Lord provides. Sabi po niya sabi po nga di ba? I always think of how God has done to Abraham. If you know the story of Abraham, when he offered Isaac, that he almost killed his own son, because God has asked him to offer your only son, offer your son. And then Isaac said, Abraham said, Lord, I will do what you want. He didn't complain at all. Hi, Vicky Korea, my friend, thank you so much. And because of that wisdom God has given me, that God will provide, because Abraham said, I know God provides. I know God provides. Although the command of the Lord to him to kill his son, but his faith, it will not happen that way. He just followed, but God didn't allow. My other